क्या खा रहा है कौतुक?
It is
इट इज व्हाट?
a moong garlic rotla.
वाह, तेरे मुंह पे जैसे पानी दिखाई दे रहा है मुझे आते हैं।
It's already soggy because of that.
After a long time, I found food that I have latched onto with great
But
Ah,
respect.
rotla sounds like it's way thicker than you would normally expect it to be. Is
It's
it?
quite thick.
no,
It is
this looks
thick.
like papad.
It is.
खाकरा खाकरा।
But
It's a
that khakra.
like isn't that the thing? There's a roti and then there's a rotla. You know what I mean?
Rotla
I
just sounds
might
like
be
it's going
wrong.
to be huge.
Yeah.
I might be wrong, but I think it's a Gujarati thing. So if you're
Are
Gujarati,
you eating the snack to match the music that's coming from outside the house?
yeah,
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
So
is
Jawar puffs out, moong garlic rotla in.
rotla in.
But how is garlic so okay? ठीक है. But the most prominent thing about it is the
You
garlic.
know, I think I've realized like any food item that has three parts, like like a pizza, khakra, dosa, a moong garlic
That
rotla,
should
like
not be.
those are
Wait,
those
Those
are
should not be
wait.
words uttered in the same sentence.
peri peri samosa. You know what I mean?
I can still get on board. I can still get on board with peri peri so. But the pizza khakra
Khakra
dosa
dosa.
क्या है?
But you know
It's
this
just a
other.
very kadak dosa, na?
No,
That why would
no,
you call it khakra?
I've shown it on stream also way back when.
Pizza khakra
Um,
dosa.
it was a pizza khakra dosa, which was basically it's like very thin. It's actually a
It is a thin dosa which has pizza flavor on it.
flavor on it and it
Ah.
cut in khakra formation. So
Yeah. तो क्या हो गया तेरा वो जो न्यू हे ग्रीक योगर्ट और ब्लूबेरी कौतुक चलेगा ना?
नहीं
वो
नहीं
आया
है
था
है
थोड़े टाइम के लिए,
है
अभी
है है
चलेगा? अभी
I
निकालो पिज्जे खाकरे डोसे लाओ, इधर लाओ।
Bye. If you guys want to ruin your day, if you want, okay, what is the worst pizza topping according to you? What is the worst pizza topping?
पनीर।
Paneer, I can still get behind, yeah. It's cheese
Why
with
why why
cottage
will you get
cheese.
behind it? Why will you get behind it?
I will get on top of it and grab it and eat it. But no, I
No, I
don't think
love
so.
paneer. Don't get me wrong. I
If
love
I show
paneer.
you this topping, you will be eating your words. You will be eating your paneer pizza. If I show
but
you this topping, what
what
is the
I'm
worst one according to you? Kautuk, तू क्या बोलता है? तेरा क्या worst है?
Cement.
I don't like like
It's legit food.
I don't
Legit
like
food.
anchovies
Ah,
in
okay.
that pizza.
I want to
Not a
clarify
fan of
that.
anchovies.
Okay. So this is a
Anchovies. It's
pizza.
banging, bro.
I
Anchovies.
don't like them.
क्या
This
बोल
is a
रहा है?
pizza your mother has created. Okay. And this is the worst pizza topping I've ever
Also,
seen.
sorry, bengan. But anyway, go on.
Bengan pizza is banging. Please
What?
actually have it. It's actually very good.
You
It's
mean to
very
say
good.
Bengan pizza is banging?
Very good.
Banging. This is the worst pizza topping.
Hey,
Oh
yeah,
fuck.
yeah, yeah.
Bhindi.
Bhindi.
Yeah,
Bhindi
that's the
pizza.
worst. That's the worst.
Guys, still
You
let
found
us
it.
know in the comments if you guys would eat bhindi pizza or not.
This
And
is
please
this
unsubscribe.
this is the worst
Bhindi
use of
pizza.
AI I have seen so far.
But
Ah,
it's just it does not feel appetizing at all
अरे
on
such
any
a
level.
rage bait photo it is, bro.
yeah, it's a
I
bit.
love bhindi. I love bhindi. I look
Yeah,
at
so do
bhindi, I'm
I.
like, अरे bhindi खाना है. लेकिन ये there's something wrong with this image.
It's bhindi out of context is not good bhindi.
Yeah.
You need bhindi in very specific locations.
No, and you need karari or you need Jagguda की भिंडी रेसिपी.
Hmm.
बट उसको
ओ भाई,
पिज्जे पे मत डालो.
दैट अनियन जगूदा जो अनियन को फोड़ने बोलता है हाथ से, उसको फोड़ने का।
ओल्ड स्कूल उसको लेके. बट पहले ऐसी था ना, सीधा गार्लिक में रख के सीधा ऐसे एक थाप. तभी थोड़ी ऐसे
हम्म
कुछ ये था यही. जरा हाथ मारो. चल चालू करते एपिसोड,
चल,
लेकिन उसके पहले यूजुअल हाइजीन और
यस,
मेक श्योर यू लाइक
आफ्टर
शेयर.
आफ्टर लुकिंग एट भिंडी पिज्जा लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाइजीन
लेट्स
गाइस।
क्लीन. नो बट मेक श्योर यू गाइस यू लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कमेंट घंटी बजाओ बेल आइकॉन जो भी सब है उधर सब जाके यस ओके अलर्ट्स ऑन रिमाइंड मी कम टू माय हाउस एंड शो मी द पॉडकास्ट जो भी यूट्यूब ने तुमको दिया है उधर सब एक्सेप्ट कर लो. एंड क्विक रिमाइंडर अगेन टू सेंड अस योर क्रेजी अनबिलीवेबल इंटरेस्टिंग मैड फनी stories for Markasam. We are doing our next round of shows 10th, 11th, 12th October. So you can send your stories to tismarkasam@gmail.com. आपकी स्टोरी शॉर्टलिस्ट हुई तो टेज पे आ सकते हो हमारे साथ और कर सकते हो एक मिनी पॉडकास्ट पॉडकास्ट अपने साथ. तो
पॉडकास्ट
चलो उसी चालू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड इन 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take random student murders or facts, certain personal stories that we talk about it. And एक और हाइजीन में भूल गया, मेरे यूएस शो के भी टिकट ले लो यार प्लीज. थैंक यू. हाँ.
There was no pause between talk about it and मेरा tickets खरीद लो. It was so
मेरा
seamless.
US tickets खरीद लो.
So it just
प्लीज ले लो यार प्लीज. चल आदर तू अपना पिटारा खोल जो
Oh.
तुम.
All right, guys.
Yes,
By the way,
let's-
sorry.
let's start
Before
off.
before we start the episode, I must tell you. So today's episode is brought to you by Adar, who I don't know from which corners of the internet, which reaches
And
of
why
the
his
algorithm.
algorithm is the way it is.
Yeah. Whatever Adar's algorithm is, it is a work of art. He has managed to create an algorithm which funnels him some of the craziest things out there. And so today, Adar, take it away.
अरे रुक उसके पहले वो तो बोलते हैं before he gets out his one.
क्या?
The one
let's start with
in the
Garba.
true-
Let's
yeah, in
start
the
with
true
the one
spirit of what is
wonderful
going on right
Yeah.
now. तुम लोग ने वो देखा कि नहीं?
What?
गोवा एयरपोर्ट पे हुई फ्लाइट डिले और पब्लिक चालू कर दिया है.
Yeah.
Full power, bro. And there's like 15-20 people fully
No,
on.
you know what when I saw that video, right? By the way, if you haven't seen it, please go check out. Just type Goa Airport Garba.
Yeah,
You'll find
here it
it.
is. Huh.
Yeah, there you go.
So,
No, this is not Goa Airport. This is Bombay.
oh, this is Bombay. Oh, I'm sorry.
That's
Apparently,
different.
there are
Airport
multiple
employees.
airports where Garba is being played.
But that was also funny. There was all airport employees playing Garba.
Yeah.
playing Garba.
हाँ.
And someone was like कि pilot भी join किया है क्या?
बट ब्रो तेरे को लगता है ये सब एयरपोर्ट के और प्लेन के एम्प्लॉयज उधर गरबा खेल रहे हैं इसलिए फ्लाइट डिले हो गई इसलिए पैसेंजर्स भी गरबा खेल रहे हैं.
Dude,
अरे मैम प्लीज चेक इन माय बैग. हाँ अरे मैम प्लीज. और वो घूमते जा रहे हैं पीछे कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल में. मैम मेरा बैग
the most organic Garba is the baggage belt where
Yeah.
your bags are just doing Garba.
I just see people sitting on it
Actually,
and doing this.
yes.
Fuck, how has that never been done?
It should.
Ahmedabad airport,
Just-
if you take this idea, you have to give us credit.
Yeah.
तो ये क्या funny चीज
Or a
है
lifetime supply of moong garlic rotla, whichever you feel.
which definitely has been consumed at that party.
No, but what I liked about the Goa thing was that
Hmm.
it was a spontaneous combustion of Garba.
Hmm.
But I mean, that group had it down pat. I've never seen people more coordinated.
But bro,
It-
जितने भी गरबा
you
करते हैं,
just-
they are intensely coordinated, bro.
But
And
they
if
rehearse
this
for
is-
months. They rehearse for months and all.
I don't know if these 20 people doing it at Goa airport were a part of a group or they were just like 20 unknowns who've just spontaneously come together, gotten the steps.
But
and
that would be
or was it a flash mob? I don't know what it was.
that would be incredible that like 20 strangers were so in
Hmm.
sync. I mean, hats off if that's the case. But I
No, but what
suspect
better way to pass your time? फ्लाइट
Yeah.
डिले हो गई, चल गरबा खेल रहे हैं. कल ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पे टाइम लग रहा है, चल गरबा खेल रहे हैं. गरबा खेलने जा रहे हैं, उधर लाइन में खड़े बार एंट्री के लिए, चल गरबा चालू ही आता टप टप.
Let's start.
I would like that line. It's a zigzag के बजाय it's just a round line, and you're just like, okay, one by one. By the time, actually, that's more fun. I would rather than stand in that zigzag line.
Other-
मैं गरबा खेल रहा हूँ. जब मेरा टर्न आएगा, मैं जाऊंगा चेक इन काउंटर पे.
तू
Other you
immigration
have-
में गरबा खेल रहे हैं.
You have
Immigration.
Either you have proved that you have now properly emigrated to the UK, because which line in India is not a circle?
Yeah.
Which line has
You may as well start playing गरबा.
Every line in India starts straight, and then slowly it just
Yeah.
diverges into this, and then there are tributaries that create.
Tributaries.
get
Proper
created.
tributaries.
And then when you have to join, then it's like मैं जाऊंगा कि तू जाएगा पहले. मैं जाऊंगा
अरे
कि तू जाएगा.
only in India do you have to ask this question कि भाई साहब आप लाइन में है क्या? ये लाइन है क्या?
हाँ. हाँ.
आप बस खड़े हैं.
नहीं
Okay,
यहाँ पर उन लोग टू लाइन में खड़े हैं और उन लोग साइड में अपनी लाइन चालू कर दी.
अपनी लाइन.
अबे ये कैसे बना? मैं इधर 15 मिनट से खड़ा हूँ, छूते तू लाइन वहां चालू होती है जहां हम खड़े होते हैं. सर अरे भाई वो अमित जी का डायलॉग था, तू सीरियसली मत ले लो इतना. बना दिया लाइन.
Okay, speaking of airport Garba, guys, Bombay had a very unprecedented, weird, rainy time during Garba this year.
Oh, it feels like this half the year has been rain.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
and but that did not let like the rain. Some people did not let the rain dampen their spirits to do garba. Now they've got great clothes on. You don't want to ruin the clothes in the rain, so they have figured out a very ingenious solution in Mumbai. They are doing rickshaw garba. तो बारिश हो रही है, भाड़ में गया, हम गरबा खेलेंगे, which I am loving this.
But do you have to stop this rickshaw की? अरे भैया, हाँ बोलो, चलोगे कहाँ? गोल गोल, नहीं नहीं, दूर का भाड़ा चाहिए, नहीं नहीं, उस
अरे
रिक्शा
भाई
का
ये
पीछा
बहुत
करो।
दूर का भाड़ा है, ये 2 घंटे का भाड़ा है, आप देखो जितना इतना टाइम लगेगा आपको बैंड्रा जाने के लिए उतना मेरा गरबा में होएगा.
Bro, but 1 second, I can't see. It's not clear in the video, but like, are you also playing dandiya in the rickshaw?
No, it's just rickshaws going round and round.
Like,
with
you're
people.
just sitting there.
If you're
Yeah,
playing
there's
डांडिया
dude
in
just
the
sitting.
rickshaw, then you have to be fast and furious. अगर तुमको डांडिया भी खेलना है, then that's it. Now it's become a like वो जो medieval knights का होता था ना, then it's like something else altogether. अगर तू डांडिया भी खेल रहा है तो.
This is incredible. This is like serious commitment to Garba. Like, they did not let anything come in their way. Firstly, they managed to persuade 7 or how many ever rickshaw walas ki, bye,
Yeah.
let's do this, right?
I'm
And
surprised no rickshaw wala is trying to cut the other one. That I'm shocked about. चल अबे हम लोग सेम जगह पे घूम रहे हैं, तू क्या कट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है?
even there in sync.
ट्रैफिक हो रहा था, ट्रैफिक.
Overtake कर रहा है.
And now it's turned into a MotoGP. It's like, bye.
एक फिर रैंडम बाइकर आ जाता है डांडिया लेके.
Bro, 1 second, मेरा ये वीडियो देख के सर घूम रहा है, जो बैठे हैं.
Yeah.
Bro, कि 2.5 घंटा तो रिक्शा में गोल गोल घूमेगा, पागल हो जाएगा
This
bro.
is the ultimate gif, huh?
And now somebody comes like and the rickshaw hits him. Then a fight starts. And then it's like बाकी सब लोग हॉर्न मार रहे हैं. And then the fight is going on in the middle of the Garba circle.
Shit, dude, you think like if it rained, like do you think there's Falguni Pathak in one of these rickshaws? Just with a mic.
इंदिरा मिलवा गई थी मोरे सैया.
Hey, there's a band playing in the back.
Of course there is. There's music and everything. मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है, तुमको नहीं
Oh,
सुनाई दे रहा है. But it's like proper Garba music that's happening right now.
amazing, amazing.
Yeah.
This
And
is
this is the best opportunity to get into a rickshaw and say, भाई वो रिक्शा के पीछे जाओ.
उसको फॉलो करो.
Like, चलो.
bus.
Bro, पर कितने 6 रिक्शा, 3 लोग अंदर होंगे, 18 लोग, 18 लोग
भाई
और 6
मजा तो
रिक्शा
बहुत आ
वाले
रहा है.
24 लोग, कि नहीं भाई हम तो नहीं जाएंगे. Have Dandiya, will play. No rain, nothing stopping us.
Hmm. Tokyo Drift has nothing on us. How would other festivals look like at this point? Like,
Yeah, I mean,
how
if you have to celebrate a festival with a vehicle, then I'll celebrate Diwali with my Ola.
उधर तो जलाने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी भाई. ये the fuse comes pre-lit.
Yeah, you place the order. जैसे तो उधर आता है, yes, buy. फिर उधर spontaneously come
But-
on.
अच्छा, up till that point the Ola
Is there.
scooter is stable. हाँ.
As soon as you order it, it explodes.
It's a
पटाखा
feature,
बहुत
not a
महंगा
bug.
पड़ गया.
All right, I have one by the way before
हाँ.
we continue. So I'll just read the headline, right, first. Viral video shows JCB being used to stir dal makhani, sparks food safety concerns.
I mean,
Other nothing will do justice than
Yeah,
just
you can't.
showing
I'm-
people what this
I'm
video
shocked.
is.
I'm shocked.
Please just have a look at a JCB. There's a very big
ये
kadai.
दाल है.
Yes. For those of you on Spotify, there is a very big kadai. It's massive. And a JCB has now entered the kadai and is stirring the dal makhani.
ब्रो, इसलिए तो मेट्रो नहीं बन रहा है, इसलिए वो रास्ते नहीं बन रहे, सब इधर पे जेसीबी का है. सर वो दाल ले रहे हैं अभी. अच्छा, और फोकलिफ्ट सर, उससे नान बन रहे हैं ना, तो नान डिलीवर करने लेके जा रहे हैं. रोड रोलर का है सर, आटा गूंदने के बाद पीसना ही तो पड़ता है.
उसको वो आटा वो जो ऊपर फेंकते हैं उसके लिए क्रॉप डस्टर आ रहा है ऊपर से, प्लेन के आटा लूस आटा फेंक रही है ऊपर.
उधर बिल्डिंग, ब्रिज सब ऐसी पड़े, तेरे खाना बना. And I like how they have food safety concerns.
Bro, the food is the least of your
Please, yeah. The bloody safety is the
I
concern.
love this
One
headline.
second.
I love this.
One
The
second.
headline is
The thing is that somebody saw this problem, right?
hmm.
And was able to convince everybody involved okay, the solution to this problem is to get the nearest JCB and just go for it, man.
No, I mean, in one way, if you think about it, yes, smart, I guess.
Is it? Is it?
I guess. मैं तो क्या तुझे देखो 10 लोग लेते
मेरे दाल में कंकड़ है क्योंकि मैंने
अबे तेरे दाल
JCB
में बोल्डर है बोल्डर मेरे
तेरे
दाल
दाल
में
में
ईंट
एक्चुअल
आ गए
पत्थर है
ईंट
पत्थर अरे
There's a brick.
आपकी दाल बहुत हार्ड थी हाँ जीती है उसके अंदर सलिया था वहां पे नीचे एक्सकवेशन
उसका तड़का पेट्रोल पंप पे लग रहा है
Oh, and the thing is, they later used it to purose that thing also from with the JCB. With
अबे
the
लेकिन इतना व्हाई डू यू नीड अ जेसीबी टू परोसो तेरे एक वाटी में दाल
नहीं
वो
रे
तो नॉर्मल
बाकी
आदमी
नहीं
अपने
Bro,
चम्मच से दे
you know
सकता
the
है ना
dexterity it needs to take a JCB to put dal into a little vati.
यहाँ पे यहाँ पे मेरा अगर मेरे को चाय के 2 कप शेयर करने किसी के साथ आधी चाय गिर जाती
गिर
है
जाती है यस यस चाय चाय को कप में डालना ब्रो बैंग ऑन अपने से चाय नहीं जा रही कप में वो जो
no,
सीप के साथ ये
it
जेसीबी से वाटी में डाल रहा है दाल
when you pour the chai and it goes down the side of the cup.
या दैट साइड में से
ऑलवेज
गिर
ऑलवेज
No, but you know something? I feel like this should be like when a JCB driver takes his driving test, this should be the last level. You know,
Yeah,
बहुत
in
वोट दिया
absolute emergency, if you are needed to परोसो दाल in a वाटी, how will you do it? Because अभी वो जेसीबी का वो इतना बड़ा है आगे का जो पार्ट है उन लोगों को नहलाएगा वो दाल से ब्रो उधर सब मुंह खोलो आ ऐसा आके सीधा 1 लीटर दाल पब्लिक के
डूड आई एम स्कैर्ड अगर ऐसे वो जो ऐसा वो लगता है शादी पे आई एम स्कैर्ड पीपल विल स्टार्ट हायरिंग अ जेसीबी बिकॉज पीपल वांट वेडिंग्स टू बी एक्सट्रावेगेंट सो दे आर लाइक दिस इज अ थिंग नाउ जेसीबीज आर कमिंग एंड मेकिंग योर दाल मखनी फॉर योर वेडिंग
then they'll have to do the wedding also at some fucking construction site.
कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट पे
डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग अरे सर कहाँ है ये टूटी हुई ब्रिज पे क्यों बुलाया आप हमने अरे देखो भाई क्या है ना शादी में सर्वर्स है सारे जेसीबी ट्रैक्टर
मेरी शादी गोखले ब्रिज पे हो रही है आज
Oh
ये
my
था
God.
क्या नीट था क्या ये नीट था
होगा होगा
कोई
नहीं
ऐसा बैठे बोले देख भाई कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा बहुत सीरियस
नहीं so they got a very large kadhai but they didn't get that big a spoon ठीक है
या
तो they were like यार वो मैं बड़ा वाला स्पून घर पे भूल गया हूँ तो अब क्या करें like
up until JCBs how are they stirring big cauldrons of dal कोई इंसान ही कर रहा होगा
होगा
ना
ना बड़ा कुछ
हाँ वही ना कोई
हाँ
होगा ना
हाँ.
तो why is that become redundant that they needed to fuck
अरे but this is extraordinary this is not a normal cauldron this is insane
This is also to be fair like it's such a great like this might be more effective than whatever else they were using in the past not that it's right
yeah
but here's the other thing right this raises that age old question ki our country like is absolutely in love with the concept of jugaad
yeah
right अपन मेन चीज नहीं करते हैं राइट तो जो करना चाहिए वो नहीं करते हैं फिर उसका एक सोल्यूशन निकालते हैं which is so genius that only we could have thought of it
अरे bro this was that age old thing ना when washing machines were newly introduced the
Yeah.
लस्सी बनाए थे ना उसमें पब्लिक
washing
अरे
हाँ
मस्त
बट क्या
but
लस्सी
washing
बनी
machine
होगी
लस्सी is great
क्या लस्सी बनी होगी ब्रो जब तक तो उसमें सर्फ एक्सेल नहीं डाला है क्यों
हाँ as long as the washing machine is exclusively used for lassi then I'm good with it I would have अगर तू ऐसे एक दिन लस्सी बना रहा है और
was a
दूसरे दिन कपड़े
sentence
धो रहा है
was a
मैं वो नहीं
sentence
करने वाला
no washing machine maker thought he would ever have to hear देख as long as the machine is exclusively for lassi उधर
हाँ
एलजी वाले बोलते क्या क्या बोल रहे क्या कर रहे पब्लिक
अबे
एलजी का
एलजी
फुल
का
फॉर्म है लस्सी इज गुड
लस्सी
people going into the showroom to buy that washing machine right and going like so कितने लीटर बनते हैं इसमें?
यार बनते इसमें कपड़े आपके वॉश होते नहीं उसके लिए नहीं, हम लस्सी बनाना चाहते हैं। सॉरी मैम, कैन आई सजेस्ट यू मिक्सर? देयर अदर, नहीं नहीं नहीं, बहुत बनाना है। सब हमारे रिश्तेदार आ रहे हैं एक साथ, हमें 130 लोगों के लिए लस्सी बनानी है। ओके ओके, तो आपका 28 लीटर वाला देना। यस मैम।
You know,
Sir, your warranty will be null and void if you make lassi. अरे यार तू लस्सी पी के तो देख.
it reminds me of that quote, na, कि first they call you crazy and then you win.
Then you win.
Crazy.
मस्त।
Oh.
हाँ,
आदि को शादी शादी वाला बता भाई।
Okay, guys. So speaking of weddings, there has been a trend going on in India right
When did we
now.
speak of weddings?
yeah,
अभी अभी तो अरे शादी पे वो
हाँ,
जेसीबी शादी में बना रहा था ना खाना.
जैसे भी हाँ बराबर
अच्छा हाँ,
correct.
शादी पे ना, सॉरी
हाँ.
सॉरी, हाँ।
अबे लिटरली 1.5 मिनट पहले तू लस्सी सोच के तेरे दिमाग से सब चला जाता है.
How
अबे
out.
लस्सी.
आउट, नया टॉपिक चालू।
So this is a new trend that, and this one video has brought to light this new trend that has started at a lot of Indian weddings. Brides are asking their ex-boyfriends to show up at the wedding and sing sad songs. And this is the first video. This is the video that has gone viral and like brought this attention, brought this entire trend to attention.
Other, is this
I
a
mean,
trend or is this just one video?
Once a why?
no, it's a
Why is it
trend.
a trend?
I followed it up. I found a couple of news articles where a lot of brides are doing this nowadays. अपने
What
ex-boyfriend को
the?
बुलाओ
अब
and he sings this unplugged version, and this guy is currently singing Chana Mere.
शॉकिंग,
वो गाना.
शॉकिंग दैट ही इज सिंगिंग चन्ना मेरे या। ब्रो एक मिनट, ये कितने लूजर है। Here's the thing, you know, if the ex-boyfriend was खुद ही है singer and this was an impromptu like, oh fuck, I'm not over you yet and I crashed your wedding to sing, I get it. This guy has been asked by his girlfriend to come and sing a song. I don't even know if he's getting paid for this shit.
Of course
I mean,
not.
he's not. This is just
course
calling them, and they show up and they're singing the song, and it's just that. It's just like, array. It's the most Bollywood. How much more Bollywood can you have in your wedding? That's the
Why
trend.
is this Bollywood? Because
Yeah, this one Bollywood नहीं, मतलब वो होता ना कि
Every Bollywood
शादी
movie,
पे आके
somebody found this. Guys, if you can find that creator, this one creator has found that all the most romantic Bollywood movies involve the hero stopping a wedding. DDLJ, कुछ कुछ होता है. It all involves cheating in some form or another. It's always
well put,
some form
Abu.
of cheating.
Well put.
Name another one. Three Idiots. Again, he stops Karina's wedding. So name one. Name the greatest romantic movie, and I'll tell you it's around cheating. And that creator is great.
Rocky Rani, was it? Did I have a wedding at the end?
They were cheating the audience.
there was some
No,
wedding
but that had
somewhere.
Dharmender cheating. That had Dharmender cheating.
Oh, so there has to be
Every
cheating involved.
movie
Now you
has,
know.
there's some kind of cheating involved where your real love was left adhura, and now you're finding true love.
Good. So 1 second, I have several questions. Starting with, how did this become a trend?
Exactly.
How did people like? Why is this
No,
a thing? Like, is
which
there a WhatsApp
loser-
group of?
Which loser saw this other loser do a loserish thing and said, you know what? I need to do that. सब काम काज छोड़ के, if there was no better indicator for the girlfriend as to why this dude is her ex-boyfriend, this was it.
This
कि
was it.
अपना सब काम काज छोड़ के मेरे शादी पे चन्ना मेरे यहाँ गाने आया।
Wait, if there is a WhatsApp group where it's all ex-boyfriends and they're helping each other out, कि अच्छा चल आज वरुण के एक्स के पास जाएंगे, आदर गिटार बजाएगा, कौतुक डफली बजाएगा, एंड बाद में उसके बाद कौतुक के एक्स पे जाएगा तो वरुण गिटार बजाएगा, आदर डफली बजाएगा. So it's just they're just taking turns in that WhatsApp group.
Who's free today? Dombivli. अरे
I just need
Okay.
3 people.
That's one. Question number 2. Which is harder? Is it harder to convince your ex-boyfriend to come and sing a sad song at your wedding, or convince your to-be husband that my ex-boyfriend is going to come and perform a sad song in front of us at our wedding.
Yeah.
Like, which would be
Why is
more
that
awkward?
guy okay also?
I think
Also,
what's more awkward is the wedding singer who's been hired for the job and telling him, sir, अभी आप थोड़ी देर के लिए चुप बैठो, मेरा ex boyfriend.
एक बेसुरा आएगा अभी, चन्ना मेरे फीडबैक आ रहा है माइक पे, पब्लिक बोलेगी क्या चल रहा है ये, इसने पूरा वेडिंग का थीम ये चुतिया कौन है यहाँ पर मेरे उसने देखा ना, उसको पूरा इमोट करते हुए जा रहा है,
Yeah.
हाँ.
वो फुल घुस गया है इसमें.
No, but like, just
Yeah.
can you, for a second, can you just imagine the conversation? Because she has messaged him, saying,
Hmm.
"Hey, listen, I know, we ended very poorly, and I know we've not spoken in like 6 years, but I'm getting married.
I was just
Like a favor."
what are you doing Wednesday night? Me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you free around 11?
And do you know the lyrics to Channa Mere?
That is non-negotiable. That part is non-negotiable.
11 is okay. 10 is also fine. But Channa Mereya, that you need to properly.
Like,
I can promise you food. I can promise you food. You'll get food.
so
With a JCB.
Conveyance.
JCB.
Conveyance.
वो JCB तेरे को लाएगी और JCB खाना तेरे को परोस के देगी.
और जेसीबी तेरे को लेके निकालेगी. चल साले.
और तो ज्यादा शान पट्टी का सीधा रोड रोलर है तेरे पे, इधर ही एक्स.
But here's the thing, right? So it has to be a recent ex who would be willing to do this. Like, you can't contact somebody who you dated years ago.
You can contact your one, like वो स्कूल के टाइम पे से जो क्रश होते थे ना, वो पपी लव. 14 साल के में तुम लोग 6 महीने के लिए डेट किए, तभी तुमको मालूम ही नहीं था क्या. उसको फोन कर, हाय हाउ आर यू, आई एम गुड, आई एम नाउ मैरिड विद 2 kids, प्लीज कम my wedding. No, but I
Sick
have
Channa
kids.
Mereya.
I have, please come. It's a trend. Oh, okay. I'll just leave my kids and I'll tell my wife I'm just out with the boys and I'll come.
And then the video goes viral and his wife is seeing this video at home. अरे ये तो मेरा husband है.
इस सारा गाना क्यों गा रहा है?
That's because the kid goes like, Papa, ये क्या है? But here's the thing, right? Like, do you just call the latest ex? Because if you have several, then do they form a band?
Yeah.
You call different ones for different functions. अच्छा, हल्दी पे प्रवीण तू आएगा, मेहंदी पे प्रमोद तू, हाँ, और संगीत पे प्रकाश तू आएगा.
संगीत पे all the exes have a dance sequence. They all do it together, yeah. Channa Mereya, Channa. Okay, there's another one in Delhi. Channa Mereya has struck again, guys. So this is a wedding in Delhi that was happening, and the DJ decided to play Channa Mereya. And in this case, it is the groom who has gotten reminded of his ex-girlfriend.
Arey.
And the groom has gotten up and left.
What? Oh, then he's gone to his ex-girlfriend's wedding to sing Channa Mereya.
Yeah.
DJ's choice of song reminds Delhi groom of his ex-girlfriend wedding call.
Wow.
तो ये यहाँ से निकला है. And
वही ना, और
unfortunately,
अपने एक्स के शादी पे गया जिधर चन्ना मेरेया गा रहा है.
bro, this is so.
But technically, the most famous shadi song is Oh Ho Ho Ho, which is a very sad song if you think about it.
Really? What is the?
How is Sukhbir oh sad?
Taare
yeah.
gin gin yaad mein teri. It's a very sad song.
Yeah, Varun Grover has a great bit on this insight.
Yeah.
The song is actually not like the lyrics. If you listen to the lyrics,
Yeah.
the lyrics are very like क्या बोलते हैं? They're very like, they've got the sadness and heartbroken vibe to it, but the vibe of the overall song is
Yeah.
so it causes
Okay,
whiplash.
this is how sad it is. तारे गिन गिन याद में तेरी मैं जगा राता नु रोक ना पावा अखियां विचो गम दिया बरसाता नु रोक ना पावा अखा विचा गम दिया बरसाता नु तारे गिन गिन याद में तेरी रोक ना पावा. Okay, but it's
किसी से भी
just
हो सकता है.
But then
अबे
the
नहीं
minute
भाई, अबे गम बोल रहा है वो उसमें.
the minute Oh Ho 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 comes on, everything
You
else
have
is
forgotten all
cast
your trouble.
aside.
But Oh Ho Ho is actually him crying.
It doesn't sound like it.
Oh yeah.
That's what it is.
ओ इश्क तेरा तड़पावे.
तड़पावे भाई. और हम लोग
तू तड़ाप साले, हम तो नाचेंगे इसमें। तेरे आंखों में गम है ना, हमारे पैर पैर में तो दम है। चलो नाचो।
Bro, but like,
Oh God.
which would be the worst song for an ex to go and sing at at a wedding?
जुम्मा चुम्मा दे दे.
He just enters on that.
Yeah, just like one kiss, one last kiss.
One last.
And the husband is like, hey, क्या?
ए जेसीबी निकालो, पैंचो निकालो।
You know something? I feel like what's going to happen is if this trend becomes even slightly more popular, immediately wedding
Wait,
planners.
what? Which trend? Like grooms leaving
No, the ex is coming and singing,
and
right?
singing? हाँ.
If
Yeah.
that becomes slightly bigger, more popular, wedding planners across this country are going to put that in a package.
Rate card.
They're going to put it in a package. If you
But
pay
how are the family members reacting to this? Because
exactly,
just
exactly.
it's like they're paying for this. It's like मैंने पैसा दिया है सब के लिए ये
No,
आके.
I'm assuming this is a surprise that is done because nobody in their right mind should be like, अच्छा फूलों का इतना, पंडित जी का इतना, खाने का इतना,
Prakash.
boyfriend.
So this was a wedding in America. I don't know if you guys saw this video. There was an
What?
actress
That
they
video?
hired.
Oh,
No. There's another one. This is in America. There was a wedding, and you know how after the wedding at the reception, everybody gives their toast. This girl stood up, started giving her toast, and just goes, "I am better than her. Why did you leave me?" And then just that goes full off the rails. People are grabbing her, trying to get her off, and she's acting all drunk and stuff. And, da, da, da. And then they reveal that she was a hired actor.
why would you want to do this?
Because every guest at that wedding will now remember the wedding.
For
That
the
is why.
worst reasons possible.
No, they're like,
Yeah.
and then they say it. Everybody has a great laugh. It's like, oh, you got us, and everybody loved it. So basically, that was the idea. Okay, everybody goes back. Oh, it was not just another run-of-the-mill wedding.
Wow,
Okay,
what is
get
it?
somebody to shoot someone. Just वो wedding याद रहे, अरे भाई उधर किसी ने कितना सीधा गोली मार दिया।
So गोली
क्या
मार-
क्या what a wedding. खाना अच्छा
Yeah.
था, लेकिन दाल में नमक कम था, लेकिन गोली क्या मारी, उतनी मजा आ गया।
अबे वो
तेरे
तो
को
होता
शादी
भी
तो
है
याद ही
काफी
नहीं है,
weddings
देखो वो
में भाई.
इंसिडेंट याद है।
Yeah.
Yeah.
एक इंसिडेंट जो एक शादी पे हुआ था, तो शादी ain't important.
No, and this morphs into gossip, right? कि अरे मैं शादी पे गया था. Like people forget that it was unreal. This is like अरे उसकी ex
Correct.
girlfriend आई थी, वो चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोल रही थी.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, let's talk about the iPhone launch, guys. How did
Oh,
you
yes.
feel about the new iPhone Aluminium 17?
Aluminium.
ब्रो, एक तो वहां पर चूना लगा रहे हैं, वो एयर दिखने में अच्छा है ये वो, लेकिन बैटरी कम है। एंड वो एयर के पीछे जो खाली है ना अभी, उधर का जो मैग से
उसके लिए
जो आता है, सिर्फ
special
उसके
battery.
लिए यू कैन जस्ट यूज अनदर रैंडम वन, इवन इफ इट इज अ बिगर साइज, इट हैज टू बी द सेम वन। तो दे जस्ट टेकन द एक्चुअल फोन, फिर उसको ऐसे काट दिया है, और तेरे को अभी बोले सेपरेट, तेरे को
You
deconstruct
know what they've done?
and then you
Everybody
have to
forced
put it
them.
together yourself, then you feel like, ah, अरे shit,
अभी मैं engineer.
अभी
You know what
मेरा
they've done though?
मेरा
They
जो size
forced
का
them.
फोन था,
Basically, they forced iPhones to switch over from that lightning cable to a C-type cable. तो then they're like, अच्छा तुम लोग हमारा proprietary cable ले लोगे हम लोग से, तो हम बैटरी निकाल देंगे फोन से. अभी तुम लोग proprietary बैटरी कर दो.
So can you imagine
हाँ.
how ruthless these Apple guys are? कि they've been sitting there going like, bro, you know, we're not paying very much to the guys for assembling our phones, but how can we reduce that cost further? Let's
The
get
iPhone Air
consumer
literally
to-
just has air inside it.
Let-
That's
let's-
all
it looks-
it is.
it
बाकी
looks
सारे components तुम लोग लाओ.
it looks banging though. It looks
Bro,
really really good.
how thin do you want your phone?
Yeah.
Like, तू क्या ये रोटला ले लेना, रोटले से फोन कर.
खा जा फोन। अरे आईफोन का खा गया
But the new phone is almost as brittle as the Rotla. Huh? People are like ऐसे कर रहे हैं तो bend हो जा रहा है. Like it's that's the
कौन है ये
yeah. So
पीपल, कौन है ये पीपल जो 1.5 लाख रुपए का फोन लेके आके बोलते मैं ऐसा करके देखता हूँ।
dude, there are hundred. Just go to YouTube and iPhone stress test. Just look it up. It's कितने वीडियोस निकलेंगे तो iPhone 17 को लोग ऐसे सीढ़ियों से फेंक रहे हैं, ये
So
सब
it's
कर रहे हैं. हाथ से मोड़ के दिखा रहे हैं.
It's like a
1 second, bhai. YouTube rewards consistency. How many fucking iPhones do these
They always, the
guys
whole
need to
channel is
break?
dedicated to that. Yeah, that's all it does. Stress tests.
Yes, but that's one channel, right? तो जिसका इसमें अर्ली मूवर एडवांटेज होगा वो होगा टॉप पे. थोड़े नए
Hmm.
स्ट्रेस वाले भी आए होंगे ना, जिनके भी 4 फॉलोअर है, जो अरे लेके आओ आईफोन फोड़ रहे. कितने व्यूज है सर?
then
12, उसमें से 10 हमारे ऑफिस के. अबे लेके आओ एक और आईफोन. मैं फेंकते जा.
then you have the next creator who comes up. He has to break it, but he has to break it
Hmm.
creatively.
या
हाँ.
हाँ.
तो
So
वो
that's what
कुछ
they do.
अलग.
पानी में डुबाते हैं
हाँ.
15 मिनट के लिए पानी में. How long does it take for this phone to get
You
ruined
know,
in water?
like he's just saying dumb shit, like,
Yeah, he's technical phodoji.
yeah, he's just like, we've all been in that situation where you're talking on the phone and you keep it, but you keep it straight in your chai ka glass.
या
For those
हाँ.
situations.
Okay, but one thing that happens with every iPhone release, the new iPhone release, is the FOMO. It's like, अरे यार नया मॉडल आ गया, अभी मैंने 16 खरीदा था, but now it looks different. So what do I do? What do I do? I don't want to spend another 1.5 lakh rupees, but also I don't want to look like the guy who doesn't have the brand new phone. So ingenious Indian Jugadu shopkeepers have come up with an incredible solution. You can turn your iPhone into iPhone 17. Doesn't matter what model you got, they will change it to
Wow.
17.
वाओ भाई क्या.
This is unreal. अच्छा, इन लोग ने सब ढांचा वाचा बना दिया.
सब कुछ भाई, it looks exactly the same at the end of it. खत्म.
वाओ ब्रो, ये असली जुगाड़ है.
Yeah, yeah.
अभी बस इफ जेसीबी कैन आंसर एन आईफोन तो ट्रिंग ट्रिंग. अरे जरा फोन उठाना. हेलो. हाँ एक मिनट में नीचे कर थोड़ा. थोड़ा आगे
That
ला.
is the real stress test.
हेलो आवाज आ रहा है क्या? अरे नहीं यार, ये जेसीबी साला आज बराबर फोन नहीं पकड़ रहा है. जेसीबी तेरा फोन क्यों पकड़ रहा है?
But
That is the test of the iPhone noise cancellations. Like भाई JCB की आवाज भी नहीं सुनाई दे रही है.
this is meaning like at this point, like how, like the question is this, right? Like, why are you buying the phone? Are you buying it to indicate to other people that you have money, or that you
Yeah.
buy the phone because you actually like the phone and you want to upgrade to it or it has
Both.
great features?
Both.
Sure. So
So the thing is like they always come up with something new. So now this whole liquid glass has come. So liquid
what is
glass
liquid
works
glass?
the best. It makes the phone look a little different.
What?
All the icons have a little glass in them. It looks like they're made of like they're glass.
What the
Is
fuck
that
does that? What
is
what?
that the thing that we wanted? Is that what everyone
Yeah, is that like,
Yeah,
was there a
it's
sizable
glass.
amount
All
of
the
people
icons, yeah,
who are
they
like,
have like
मेरे
glass.
एप्स में ज्यादा ग्लास नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है? क्या बोल रहा है भाई? ग्लास
Hmm.
तुझे ऐप दिखाई दे रहा है? हाँ, तो ग्लास क्यों चाहिए तुझे? चूती है.
अरे it's cool.
जो
It
लोगो है
looks
क्लिक कर उस पे,
nice.
ग्लास क्यों चाहिए? मैं भी वो स्कैम, मेरे को अभी फोमो होना बंद हो गया. पहले होता था ना, अरे 13 के अभी चल 14 लेता हूँ, 15 है वो. मैं भी 13 पे ही हूँ. और मैं
Hmm.
अगला जब जाऊंगा ना, मैं 18 या 19. चल रहा अच्छा खासा ब्रो फोन.
चल रहा है.
क्यों?
Okay, one thing I was very impressed by was the new iPhone, the AirPods 4 Pro. Because the new ones are epic. एक तो तुम लोग ने देखा होगा at the Apple conference they released the AirPods 3 Pro, but because I am a content creator, they've sent me the new prototype for the AirPods 4 Pro.
Oh,
And this is the new one, and it's been released only in Bihar and Bombay as of now. So
तो तू ना
it's the best AirPods. Language doesn't matter here because once this comes out, you just stop talking.
dude, you know,
Like,
इसमें ऑटोमेटिक नॉइज कैंसलेशन है.
how? Noise meaning no, noise नहीं, voice cancellation.
वॉइस कैंसलेशन, सॉरी, इसमें ऑटोमेटिक वॉइस कैंसलेशन है.
But the AirPods 3 comes with that live translate.
yeah.
That's what people need to understand. The guys using AirPods 4.
Yeah. अरे क्या बात कर रहे हो? Oh, thank you very much.
Dude, you know something? They should do this. Like, we
हाँ.
should do this. who should do this? Vimal should come out with this exact innovation.
Ah,
Here is a case. It's the new Vimal case. The Vim
ooh,
pods, right? And
yeah.
तू उसको खोल
The
कौन
Vim
सा है?
pods.
Vim pods. You know, Vim pod sounds like a detergent pod.
Yeah.
No, so एक side आपका चूना, दूसरा side आपका tobacco, right? And there's a like whoever owns Vimal, the owner of Vimal,
Vimal.
yeah, Mr. Vimal, Mr.
Vimal owns
Vimal.
it.
Every year there should be VimalCon, where it's a big event where all the Vimal fans come to see the new innovation that they launch, and Mr.
Yeah.
Vimal comes out in a black turtleneck with a presentation.
Presenting. और अपने pocket से निकालता है. It's like
निकालता
thinner
है
than
और
ever.
thinner than ever, and then he puts it in his hand and वो मलता है.
At Vimal, we've always strived for good design, solving people's problems. Most people didn't know where to keep the product once it's opened from that thin plastic wrapper. With this is completely eco-friendly.
Yeah, it supercharges it with saffron. Every time you shut it, it's charging with saffron lights. Acha, normal AirPods connect to 2 devices at a time. But Vimal pods connect with 10 devices. They just give them all an alert. ये थूकने वाला है, थूकने वाला है, थूकने वाला है.
Our latest innovation. You've put the Vimal in your mouth, and now you're wondering, where can I spit it? Find the nearest wall. It will direct you to the nearest wall. जहाँ आप अपना पान
जैसे वो फाइंड माई आईफोन होता था ना, फाइंड माई वॉल, उधर क्लिक कर, उधर ऑलरेडी सब है. अरे तू भी इधर, अरे क्या बात है, डाल दो वॉल पे. शिट ब्रो, क्या है? बट द ओनली ट्रिक देम इज दे शुड हैव बीन रेड कलर केस.
Ah.
ये दे ग्रे कलर से रेड कलर का मस्त पे की केस आना चाहिए. And every time it opens, it would have that plastic sound inbuilt. So it is actually like metal, but it
हाँ,
तो देखो वो वाइब आ रहा है कि नहीं भाई, मेरे हाथ में वो प्लास्टिक की रैपर की फीलिंग तो चाहिए मुझे, वाइब साउंड वाइज.
Dude, this would actually be ऊंचे लोग ऊंचे पसंद. Why don't they do this?
सब डाल दिया अपन ने इसमें, विमल, चूना, रजनीगंधा.
But this is the next step, because you know how there was this cool people who wouldn't carry cigarette ka packet. They would carry cigarettes in these things. And I can imagine these
Metal
people
box,
sitting at
metal
home.
case.
Yeah, sitting at home opening their, it looks cool when you're opening your metal box outside. But you can imagine this guy sits at home and अपना metal box निकालता है और अपना cigarette का डब्बा निकाल के एक cigarette डालता है कि मैं बाहर जाके क्या cool दिखूंगा.
मैं पूछा था पब्लिक को, एक दो मैं लोगों को जानता तो लोग ये लेके आते थे, विच वॉज द बॉक्स, मेटल बॉक्स है, इधर सिगरेट है और बॉक्स के साइड ही अटैच्ड एक लाइटर है.
Oh my God.
Correct, yeah, it's like,
so they open it like that, ऐसे सिगरेट निकालते, उधर साइड पे बटन दबा तो आग भी आता है, तो जलाते हैं. तो मैं बोला भाई ये क्या है, क्यों? तो बोले वी कांट सी, वो जो उस पे फोटोज डालते ना उन लोग कि सिगरेट पियोगे तो तुम्हारे लंग्स ऐसे, जो जॉन टेरी का
जॉन टेरी का डाला था, करेक्ट,
कि फूकने के बाद तेरे लंग्स ऐसे हो जाते हैं, तो उनको वो नहीं अच्छा लगता देखना.
फेयर.
वर्सोवा में रिसेंटली
oh, great.
woman was duped of 65,000 rupees by a man who posed as Keanu Reeves
in Warsaw.
in Warsaw. नहीं Keanu Reeves Warsaw नहीं था,
वर्सोवा का Keanu Reeves. अच्छा.
कि भाई वर्सोवा में कौन है रीव्स? बहुत सारे. नहीं, so basically what happened, there was an older lady, she was, and she was online chatting with what's his face, who she thought was Keanu Reeves.
Online chatting with Keanu Reeves.
हाँ, on Instagram वो सब बात कर रहे हैं, and he's told her that he is Keanu Reeves, जैसे actor है, and she's fallen for it, and then she said that typical thing that, hey, I'm going to come to India to meet you.
Oh yes.
So for that I need 65,000 rupees. ठीक है.
क्यों? क्योंकि कियानो के पास उतना पैसा नहीं
है. और
Keanu's net worth is a 100 million.
इनको नहीं मालूम पड़ा कि कियानो थोड़ी इकोनॉमी क्लास में है. 65,000. The way the scam has been caught is that this lady's daughter was like keeps checking the this na finances for her mom. तो उसमें देखा एक transaction that has gone 65,000 rupees to an account in Dehradun. Then she flagged that off and then फिर उसने बात किया मॉम से. then मॉम से डरे कियानो को भेजे जो देहरादून में है. देहरादून
And she's like, मम्मी
कियानो.
आप क्या ये उम्र में? And she's like, नहीं बेटा मैं तेरे लिए पूछ रही हूँ. I'm doing this for you.
Bro, but you thought it ends there. I was reading up on this और मालूम पड़ा है that there is an epidemic of Keanu Reeves is in love with me scams out there. Reported
Whoa.
across US, fucking Taiwan, something in Korea and in Europe and now India. तो बहुत सारे लोगों को
There's an international ring of fake Keanus.
of fake Keanus. Okay. So this happened to a lady in America, right? She was in a courtship with Keanu, online courtship with Keanu. Again, she's in her 60s. Now, this lady's niece, found out about this and she's like, what's going on? She's like, no, I'm going to sell the house and I'm going to move to LA so I can be close to Keanu. So she's like, who? So she's like, Keanu Reeves. She's like, the actor Keanu Reeves. She's like, yes, the actor Keanu Reeves. We've been chatting for the last 8 or 10 months. He has sent her
shit.
jewelry, and all that she wears every day. So this niece is like, listen, this is a scam. Don't do it. She said, no, it is true. She's not, is refusing to believe. Now, this girl
Rahul, can I just tell you, this is the worst adaptation of Matrix I have seen yet.
Yeah.
जहाँ virtual world से कियानू अभी आ रहा है तेरा पैसा लेने.
Bro, so this girl whose aunt it was, who's in a relationship with Keanu, decides to get to the bottom of this Keanu scam. So she creates a fake account and poses as a rich old single lady and
No.
goes to every Keanu Reeves fan page and starts commenting there and liking posts and all of that. So she's done a full undercover sting operation like that, okay? She said in the 3 days it's been since she went and liked the Keanu Reeves fan page accounts and all of that. 7 people have come forward saying they are
Oh
Keanu Reeves.
no.
तो
Oh
मैं
no.
बोला मैंने इनबॉक्स खोला और 7 कियानो. Hi, I'm Keanu. Hi, I'm Keanu. Hi, I'm Keanu. Hi, I'm Keanu. And she said, I have, like, she was giving the answers, and all of them have the same modus operandi. So they will pry at older women. Obviously, if they're like divorced or single, पति मर गया जैसे भी, and then उन लोग को फंसता है.
Whoa. I like, firstly, like, I can't believe that they've picked Keanu Reeves. All these scammers have picked Keanu Reeves as their.
But super trustable, na? The guy is like, if I had to pick an actor with the least amount of like any
social media presence.
social media presence तो कम ही है, but on top of that he's got this very good person image attached to him.
There's all
Keanu
these
is a
like
good
sad
guy.
Keanu memes
You
and
know,
he
sad
travels
Keanu
alone in
Reeves
a
अपने
subway.
मैट्रिक्स की सैलरी उसने अपने क्रू को दे दी to his stunt team to make up for their bonuses and things like that. So Keanu Reeves has this image of doing all these things. So it's the best person to actually use for this
Bro,
scam.
apparently the aunt who got scammed, usko one of the first few lines is, owing to the nature of my profession, I'd like for this to just be between us.
Oh yeah, that makes
Yeah,
sense.
na? Dude, if you start dating Keanu Reeves even online, you will want to tell the world, "Arey, I'm dating Keanu."
Yeah.
हाँ.
No, and it just tells you that I think deep down everyone feels that I can pull a movie star. You know,
हाँ, it's that
it-
Brad Pitt lady all over again. The lady who thought she was dating Brad Pitt कि मैं बीमार हूँ, please मुझे पैसा भेजो.
you know what I mean?
हाँ.
Like I'm sure there's some guy out there right now in the world who is currently talking to Katrina Kaif. And feels
अबे
Yeah,
वो
yeah,
तो था
yeah.
ही ना. अरे तेरे
Yeah.
भाभी की शादी हो गई. अरे
Yeah.
अब तो कोई चांस नहीं, अभी तो बच्चा भी हो गया. कटरीना का बच्चा हो गया, सोचता है अरे शिट.
ब्रो एक मिनट, कैन यू इमेजिन ये इतने सारे कियानो जो स्कैम कर रहे हैं, अगर असली कियानो कभी इंस्टाग्राम पे आया बोला मैं अप्रोच करता हूँ किसी को एज द एक्चुअल कियानो रीव्स, पब्लिक बोले यार ये स्कैम है, ये मेरा पैसा लेने वाला है, और फिर सैड कियानो कि अरे यार ऐसा ऐसे क्या,
Dude,
कोई मेरे मैसेज का रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं करता मेरे डीएम का, मैं इतना फेमस।
But I feel like okay, who do you think is going to be the who would you make the Bollywood equivalent of the Keanu scam? Like who would fit that bill?
Jaggu Dada, according to me. Because you have to have nostalgia attached to this chilled out attitude and still be like have that sex appeal on some level, which is Jaggu
अरे
Dada.
आप मिलिंद सोमन,
Oh,
Minute so one.
yeah.
तो
Because then
कियानो
you
इज
can
आल्सो व्हाट 60 65 राइट?
yeah,
Yeah.
because I think you can make a good case for Milind Soman. Like he can message women going like, "Hi, actually I don't have money for shoes or
Yeah.
t-shirts."
सारा का सारा
और सोशल
मैराथन पे
मीडिया
खर्चा
पे
हो
देख
गया.
रहे कि अरे आई डोंट हैव मनी फॉर
हाँ.
शूज, आई डोंट हैव क्लोथ, उसका नंगा भागने वाला फोटो
नंगा भागने
नहीं
वाला
है।
अबे नंगा पैर भागता है वो बहुत टाइम. उसने
अबे
अरे
वो नंगा
बेचारे के
भी
पास.
भागा है, वो
नंगा भी
बीच
अच्छा.
में
भागा है।
फोटो था ना,
अरे हाँ याद है मुझे फोटो.
ये आया था ना ऐसे अपने
हाँ.
वाइटल्स कवर करके।
हम्म.
And I don't have shoes, I don't have t-shirt, I don't have car.
या
So please, I would like to travel.
ये ले मिले, दे ले पैसे।
The other person I can sort of see is Nana Patekar. I don't know why.
अबे नाना पाटेकर. नाना पाटेकर स्कैम.
No, I can see Nana's DMs also are angry. Like he writes in
Yeah.
small letters, but you can hear it suddenly.
भेज
पैसे
पैसा.
दे मुझे, पैसे दे, प्यार करता हूं तुझसे, ऑनलाइन हो या ऑफलाइन, प्यार प्यार होता है, दे ना तो मारूंगा। नाना
अबे ये नाना. नाना you need to chill out. Okay. In other news, right, I have found this China has come up with bone glue. Have you guys heard of this?
Yes, I did. I
is
did.
it what it says it is?
It's
Yes,
exactly what it is. It has solved.
exactly.
एक आदमी की
What?
wrist टूटी थी and they injected this glue inside his wrist, something that would have taken a month to heal. This guy has walked out in 3 minutes.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
No,
Of course, the
Feviquick.
bone still needs to heal. He needs to take care of it and things like that. But now you don't require a plaster. So they've just got bone glue.
Wow.
And the way they did it is, so they looked at oysters. So oysters
Hmm.
secrete this thing that helps them fasten onto rocks and things like that, right?
Hmm.
And this thing basically is an adhesive that the oyster secretes that that works in liquid, like in water, right? So they basically use those same properties, or they basically looked at that and recreated it in this bone glue scene.
So
So
you're telling me
Oh.
people who are eating oysters are just eating Fevicol?
Yeah.
no,
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 and
no.
so
Oh
they've
my
not
God, delicacy. Just
extracted anything from oysters, क्योंकि वो होता तो बाकी ऑयस्टर बोल रहे भाई आजकल चिपक रहा नहीं हूं मैं, क्या हो रहा है? अरे नहीं यार वो
अबे वो बना रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसका मशीन ले लिया ऑयस्टर का तो अभी वो ऑयस्टर अपना नहीं बना पा रहा है. वो बना रहा है. They've just used that to
इतना बना रहे
replicate it.
उतना लेते जा रहे सब चाइनीज साइड डिश, मैं दे इधर ऑयस्टर साले अपनी हड्डी ठीक करनी है।
You think that's why honeybees are
यार,
working so hard? Because हम वो बना के आते हैं और हनी रखते हैं और फिर बाहर जाते हैं वापस आते हैं. हनी चला गया. मैंने अभी बनाया था. मैंने 2 किलो हनी बनाया था अभी.
It must be such a KLPD for these honeybees, yeah. No one thinks about it from that perspective. वो बेचारा दिन रात मेहनत कर रहा है, flower to
मेहनत।
flower जा रहा है,
Hmm.
right? And we're just extracting and then packaging it, putting our fucking
course.
logo.
And making
Yeah.
a product that doesn't expire ever, only
Yeah.
to
Oh,
get
yeah.
to enjoy none of it. इधर अपन घर आराम मस्त, तू भाड़े जा हनी भी।
By the way, just to ruin some people's thing, honey is basically their vomit.
Oh,
Yeah, honey is honeybee's vomit.
so
Just putting it out there, guys.
honeybee goes out there, gets drunk on nectar, comes back stumbling into hive.
Yeah.
And throws up in a hexagon.
Yeah, that's it. हाँ बस और बाद में उसके बाद उन लोग का हो जाता है. हाँ, it's like
Honey
अरे
है।
hangover.
चन्ना मेरे अरे प्रमोद क्या हो गया भाई? अरे रे यार अभी जस्ट एक्स की शादी में जाके गाना गा रहे हैं। तू गाना गा रहे साले, तेरे को हनी लेने भेजा था।
तेरी एक्स कौन है? क्वीन बी।
क्वीन भी
अरे
सबकी
तेरी
ex
भी,
की
मेरी
queen
भी
भी।
वही है। और तो पूरे पूरे कोम में सब क्वीन बैठे हैं उधर, सब भागी
हाँ,
ना मेरे
अरे
जिया।
मेरे को इतना प्यार था उससे, और उसके 400 बच्चे हो गए अभी यार, पता नहीं मैं कैसे ये करूंगा ये हैंडल।
Bro, fuck, that is
फटाफट
so
हनी बना
true.
चुके।
That is so true. A queen bee is literally getting her access to work in her eyes. Um,
ओह,
wait, there was
ऑलराइट,
a,
अनदर वन। हाँ, क्या बोल रहे तू?
no, I was just saying about this bone glue thing, right? Like
हम्म।
sometimes, like most times what happens is these amazing inventions come out, and because you're living in the present and you're just like, yeah, meaning you read it in one small paragraph in a newspaper and you're like, yeah, whatever, right? But these are such mind-boggling things if you just stop for a second to
या
think about it, right? Like
सीरियसली।
the fact that you have bone glue, it's so intuitive. It's the kind of thing that a child would tell you to make, and now we have it.
एंड या या
Yeah, it's
नो,
like why can't we just stick our bones together? And ये उसका बाप
shut
जो
up Kevin, that's not how it works. No, but we did it the other day in school. Yeah, because that's a
एंड फिर
fucking toy.
केविन बड़ा होके बनाता है बोन ग्लू।
Bone glue. What a
But
crazy thing,
also,
honestly. Like we live in
they've
sci-fi.
also they've also tested a pill that extends your dog's life.
चल
No, it's
किसी को लेगा.
reverse aging, no? Reverse aging.
Yeah, they're reverse aging dogs. So the application, the next step is humans.
No, but 1 second. Pause for a second because as a dog owner, ठाकुर,
Yes.
चल दे दे अभी.
Hmm.
क्या?
और उससे पपी
नहीं,
से
I want him to reach a certain age and then stop. I don't want him to become old. But पूरा अगर रिवर्स एज करते रहेगा ना, वो हैवान है अभी भाई, टीरेक्स है वो।
Benjamin Button.
वो तूने तूने वो मीम देखा है कि जैसे फर्स्ट 2 मंथ में वो एक पप्पी का फोटो है, ठीक है,
Hmm.
फिर 2 मंथ्स टू 18 मंथ्स या ऐसे 26 मंथ्स ना, एक उन लोग ऐसे टीरेक्स का फोटो डालते हैं, बिकॉज योर डॉग इज लिटरली दैट, इन दैट कुछ भी चबा रहा है अभी, ऊपर ऐसे सोया है और उसके मुंह में रिमोट है, ठीक है? और टीवी नहीं देख रहा है, वो खा रहा था, रिमोट को खाते खाते सो गया, अभी मुंह में रिमोट है। Fuck it.
that this is a thing that the stress test community needs to do. Get the latest
Hmm.
iPhone, feed it to a dog, see what
That's
happens.
what
Yeah.
happens.
Can your iPhone survive my dog?
डॉग्स,
Yeah.
fuck that, अभी इस पे ये
Hmm.
कॉपीराइट हम लोग का है भाई।
Yeah. Or just this is a great ad for a screen guard. Guys, if you want to, yeah, हाँ, it's like तुमने अपना
हाँ,
iPhone लिया and then after that you're like one guy doesn't use a screen guard and the other guy uses a
और
cover and a
उसका
screen guard.
कुत्ता आता है.
Yeah. So this is ये क्या कहा कौतुक?
क्या था? मीनिंग कुत्ता फोन चबा रहा है यार,
तो
और
फोन
क्या
जब
था?
Okay, so there is another medical story that has come up. A father of five, and he had this is in the Derriford Hospital in Plymouth. He had a brain surgery. So brain surgery के time doctors were like, we need to make sure that the dexterity in his hands is good. So they have done a 5 hour surgery where this guy called Paul Dalton has played songs while the surgery is going on.
एक मिनट, तो किसका ब्रेन सर्जरी हो रहा है, डॉक्टर है और कोई पेशेंट बजा
वो
रहा है?
वो पेशेंट बजा रहा है गाना सो दैट द डॉक्टर डजंट गो टू द मोमेंट डॉक्टर गोज टू अ रॉन्ग प्लेस एंड नोटिसेस दैट ही इज लूजिंग
The
हिज डेक्सटेरिटी
chord.
इन द हैंड्स देन
वन
इज लाइक ओ आई एम गोइंग टू
वन
फार अहेड.
ओके, 1 सेकेंड, फॉर द पेशेंट टू डू दिस बिफोर द ब्रेन सर्जरी, ही नीड्स टू नो हाउ टू प्ले अ गिटार टू बिगिन विथ।
या सो फर्स्ट इफ यू आर डूइंग दिस ब्रेन सर्जरी तेरे को पहले जाके गिटार सीखना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, फिर तुझे जाके ब्रेन सर्जरी करना पड़ रहा है, और तेरे को सीखने नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज यू आर इन नीड फॉर ब्रेन सर्जरी, तो कैसा हो रहा है ये? कौन
But
कौन करा
imagine,
रहा है?
imagine sitting there, sir. We need to do brain surgery. Oh, okay, let's do it immediately. But first, this is a coupon for guitar lessons. Why don't need guitar? Get the tumor out. नहीं सर, आपको पहले गिटार सीखना
हाँ,
पड़ेगा.
ये लो, ये
तो
तीन
उसका
गाने,
I
ये 3 गाने सीख के आ जाना कल तक, सिर्फ
तो
कर
उसका
नहीं।
खोपड़ी खुला है और वो म्यूजिक बना रहा
हाँ, करेक्ट.
है. ओह.
एंड बीच में जो वो गाना भी शुरू करता था, लाइक सर वी डोंट नीड यू टू सिंग प्लीज, आप
No,
प्लीज.
so they'll know that they've hit a wrong nerve when he goes out of tune.
Out of tune or like can't play it properly, loses his focus, this, that. So they want to attack the problem but not destroy the good nerves and good connections. So this is how they figure that out. And they've done this with violinists. They've done this with like a lot of people who do stuff with their
I
hands.
know
think
what?
this is
You
a
know what would be
specific
really funny?
musician surgery.
Hmm.
You know what would be really funny? Like, like if so there's a musician who's got खोपड़ी खुला है, and as
हाँ.
the doctors are doing the surgery and they hit a wrong nerve, बाजू में प्रीतम का कॉर्ड गलत हो रहा है क्योंकि
Unless he plays Channa Mereya and the doctor remembers his ex and the doctor's like, fuck this. I need to go to my ex. I can't do this surgery.
By the way, speaking of leaving surgeries midway,
Huh.
here is this insane story. What a headline this is. Okay.
Mm.
It just gets crazier and crazier as you go along. Okay. So starts with no ban for Pakistan origin doctor who left patient during operation to have sex with nurse.
Whoa.
Mid operation,
Wow.
like खोल के गया है उसको.
Yeah.
वो खोल के suddenly he's gotten horny. He suddenly gotten horny. He's indicated to the nurse, मैं आता हूँ. Patient को देखे बोला, ये लो आप गिटार सीखो 2 मिनट में. वो उधर
1 second. What surgery was this? Any clarity what surgery this was?
So he left a patient under anesthesia on the operating table to have sex with a nurse in another room. It was a very low risk. Sorry.
It
This
was a
is
low
very
risk
high risk.
operation. It's very high risk.
He's
Exactly.
taken the low risk operation and be like,
And
आज
made
कुछ
it.
तूफानी करते.
It's unclear what the operation was, but basically what happened is so they were caught by a colleague who walked in on the doctor in a compromising position with the nurse. According to the report, the consultant anesthetist went to the bathroom asking another nursing colleague to monitor the male patient, but engaged in sexual activity with nurse C in another operating theater at the hospital. As per the medical practitioner, so basically, this nurse walked in and she said she saw this nurse C with her trousers around her knee area,
Whoa.
and the doc was tying up the cord of his trousers. So
He's a anesthesiologist.
He's
anesthetist.
Anesthetist.
anesthesiologist.
But
Bro,
yeah,
but
can you imagine being the patient who
and finding out
finding out, because now
after
you
you're
will,
out, yeah, I'm assuming the patient's fine and out of surgery. You come out, you're okay, and then अगले दिन news
No,
देख,
he's come
"अरे, ये
in.
तो मेरा डॉक्टर था." मैं उधर गिटार बजाते जा रहा हूँ, डॉक्टर कुछ रिस्पॉन्स दे रहा नहीं है, ये
वो
सेक्स कर
डॉक्टर
रहा
वहां
है.
से साइड से बोल रहा है, "ए, कुछ रोमांटिक बजा ना, कुछ डीडीएलजे, कुछ अच्छा अच्छा कुछ बजा ना."
डी 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 डी, हाँ यही वाला. कुछ भी चल रहा है ब्रो. मैंने एक पढ़ा था, fuck.
ए जादू जादू है नशा आता है क्या? जादू है कुछ इमरान हाशमी का बजा ना कुछ.
Bro, I had read about this one surgery, a Dutch kid. Okay, he had a knee surgery, and after the surgery, he woke up speaking fluent English.
ये
what?
लिटरली इसके घुटने में दिमाग था.
No, but if this is true, and and if he didn't have any prior knowledge of English, which would be insane,
Hmm.
then what would happen is that all of these English coaching classes,
वो ये सब लोग इधर आ, रैपिडेक्स इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग क्लासेस, इधर आओ सर, इंग्लिश
तेरे
सीखने. हाँ,
घुटने-
इधर आ,
घुटने
देख
में से-
एक देख दे, हथौड़ा दे और साड़ करके you साड़ उसमें.
अपने वरुण को एक्चुअली लग गया.
he's stuck at the worst possible moment. Oh shit! Site service strikes again.
अरे साई
Yes, यार.
सर्विस.
Hey!
क्या तूने राउटर को मारा अपने?
पता नहीं क्या है.
I just so basically Thakur has gone. He's taken a hathoda to the knee and started saying, "Oh, sire, I have learned English."
it's the top of the morning to you. अरे भाई
अच्छा, it's
अरे
with a
क्या
British
English बोल
accent
रहा है,
also.
क्या हुआ?
Normal English भी नहीं है, सीधा British accent में जंप मारा है भाई ने.
अरे भाई तू वो मालूम नहीं कैसा है, सीधा अभी सब सब उधर से ऐसा रहे क्लास से बाहर. अरे क्या हुआ? आई डोंट नो मैन बट आई कैन स्पीक रियली गुड इंग्लिश. हाँ तू अबे सुबह को मिला था, तू साला इंग्लिश नहीं बात कर पा रहा था. ये तो सब
The question the question is, if you hit them in other places, do they learn other languages?
Different languages.
इधर आ इधर आ डैश. ओ qu'est-ce que c'est que le vivu या फ्रेंच. क्या बात है, सीधा.
Oh,
सब लोग एक दूसरे को भाषा ऐसे ही सिखा रहे हैं, तोड़ फोड़ के.
मार के
मेरी इंग्लिश टूटी फूटी है और मैं भी
मैं भी टूटा.
बड़ा
हाँ,
That is the
मजेदार.
sound of the classes. But
All right, on that note.
On that note,
Ah.
thank you so much for watching this episode of the Internet Said So. We're going to be back again next week. Once again, a reminder to make sure you like, share, subscribe, bell icon, Ghanti, tickets for
Markasam.
Markasam, tickets for US show, everything is down. The pinned comment. तो लेके आ जाओ, स्टोरियां भेजो, मजे करते हैं. And we're really excited to bring Markasam to you guys. 10th, 11th, 12th are the next set of shows. तो आ जाओ. And also, sorry, main Bangalore has also been announced, guys.
yes,
पर मैं बेंगलुरु आ रहा है, उसके भी टिकट्स नीचे होंगे, तो
And we
आ
are,
जाओ.
so if you're watching this from Bengaluru and you'd like to join us on stage, then do send us any crazy story that's happened to you, a memorable crazy story, and send it into tismarkasam@gmail.com.
gmail.com.
So,
there will be other cities that we are going to be announcing soon. So it's not just Bangalore
Yes, sir.
and Bangalore. I
But
said
if you still want to
Bangalore
fly
and
from
Bangalore
Delhi and
के
come
बीच
to Bangalore, you can come.
You can do
Nobody's-
that.
Yeah.
You can do that.
ठीक.
Okay, awesome.
All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode. We'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salameshk.
तुम लोग ने ये गेम देखा है क्या, ग्रैंड थेफ्ट ऑटो रिक्शा?
क्या?
There's a guy from Bangalore. Speaking of Bangalore, so Harin Nitiswar, he's a product designer and he's at Zepto, and he's created this using AI. But this is, I would play this video game. I mean, tell me you wouldn't play Grand Theft Auto Rickshaw.
Sure.
The
वो
fact,
मार रहा नहीं है किसी को, सिर्फ चला रहा है.
the most believable thing
Yeah.
about it was that there was a kutta running beside the auto.
That's what, there are bikes cutting you and everything. So that's what Grand
No,
Theft Auto Rickshaw is.
इसमें एक साइड मिशन होगा ना, जाके डांडिया गरबा खेल के हाथ रिक्शे में.
भाई ये देख, देखो ऐसा ये सब भी मिल रहा है, नॉस.
Oh,
तो you have
Oh,
different
अंदर से
visions. This is great. This is better graphics than I would assume Grand Theft Auto to have.
I find it unbelievable just looking at the roads. ये
Yeah.
कहाँ जा रहा है ऐसे रिक्शा? कहाँ है ये रोड? मैं भी
पीछे
जाना
कुत्ता
है.
भाग रहा है.
तो कुत्ता एक आगे भागे is faster than the रिक्शा. चल मस्त.
truly Grand Theft Auto.